Hello everyone, my name is Emerson and this is the CloudKnowledgeTips channel. My main goal is to share my cloud knowledge with you. So, if you are working or would like to work with cloud technology, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon to receive alert about my new videos. If you'd like to know more about me or my cloud journey, below is my LinkedIn, feel free to send me a message. It will be my pleasure to help you during your cloud journey. Let's go to the content. Hello everyone, let's gonna talk about Azure Document Intelligence. I'm gonna use Document Intelligence Studio to show you what we can do with the Document Intelligence. And this is a tool that was provided by Microsoft, where you can use it to train your models. You can use it to analyze what kind of model is gonna be perfect for your kind of forms. And after that, you can generate your code, and then you can apply your code in different type of things that you need. So first one is ready, and then we have layout and general documents. This is the document analysis. To use these specific services, first of all, we need to create the Azure Document Intelligence resource. So coming here to Azure portal, you can just hit create a resource, search for document intelligence. You should see the document intelligence, the old form recognizer, and then you can hit create. Here you need to select your subscription, then the resource group. If you don't have one, you can create it right here. So azure.docurecon, and then we can use and select the different region. You can just type the name, so .recon 001. And then the price tier. Price tier we have F0, which means that it's free. You're gonna have like 500 pages per month and then 20 calls per minute that you can use the API for the document intelligence, and a standard 0 that you can call 1 call per minute for train API. So I have created one before, so I won't create a new one. I'm gonna use the other one that I have created. So come back here to Azure to Document Intelligence Studio. You can just click on these models. Like, let's suppose that we would like to read a document. I can just click on the read one. I can select my subscription. Then I can select my resource. And then I can select my document recognition. It continues. It's going to confirm all the information and finish. Okay, that's all. So here we have some samples. So you can see it's a form, it's like one document, the other one here, and then we can just upload the new documents, or you can just click on run analysis. The run analysis will try to extract all the text that we have available on this form. So when I hit run analysis, it's going to behind the scene use Azure OCR to extract the text, and then it's gonna give me some information about that. So I can zoom it a little bit, it's gonna be better for you. So the first paragraph, we have this one. You can see that the image is not pretty clear, but even though the image is not pretty clear, the OCR was able to extract the text 100%. Then we have here another content, and then you can see all the contents that the AI extracted from these specific documents. You can check the text here. The result is gonna be a JSON file with all the information. So you have like while. So if I come back here to the page again, I can see while. Then you can see the polygon. So I have the words. This is all the words that was extracted for that specific region. Then you can see the content. This is a specific field that's gonna show to you where that specific content was extracted, and then you can use it to, like, if you're gonna present that in some application, you can use it to draw something, you put some marks, it's going to give more information to the users as well. And then if you are good with that, if you say, okay, that's fine, you can just hit here the code. You can select different languages, Python, JavaScript, and C#. So if you select the C#, then you can see here the code to use that specific the AI services. So you can see here that's getting the file URL. So instead of the fixed file URL, you can just create a storage account. With the storage account, you can get the storage account document URL, and then you can just replace this value every time when someone uploads the document to your storage account. Then we have here some specific fields. So this is the analysis documentation operation. Then we have the value. Then we have the service that we're going to use as well, which means that it's going to just analyze the document. It's a pre-built model, and it's going to use the read per pre-built model. And then the file that we're going to use, and we're going to extract the information. So this is about read. If you'd like to use another one, you can just come back here. And then, for example, the layout is the same thing. I get the second sample. Second sample is one image. We can use the run analysis. You can see that you have like the title of the document, all the paragraphs that we have, the section heading. So it's another heading here. Then all the paragraphs, another section heading, and paragraphs as well. So, and also the page number. You can just click here in results. You can check the JSON file. You can click on code, and then you can see that we are using different type of services. It's a pre-built, but now it's a layout model. So you can explore all of them, but in my opinion, talking about document analysis, the general document is the one that stands out from the others, because you can use specific forms that usually you have these forms, then you have like the name of the field, and then you have the value, and this is going to create you like a key value JSON when you can get the specific values for that specific key. So if you'd like to search for some specific value on that specific fields, the general document is the one that is going to be the best model for you. Let's use the third one here as one example. So run analysis. And we have this one, like full name. I can just zoom it a little bit, and then we can check the values. So this is the full name. Then the document intelligence got Raymond Amy. Then the last name in the first, this is the last name, and this is the first name. So in this case, the key name is full name, and then we can just change it. When we get the value, we can change Amy as the first name, and then Raymond as the last name. Address. So the address, you got all the things like number, street name, street address as well. And then you can see that the street address is not here in the value, so it got all the things. Let me go a little bit. And then we have other or apartment unit. So also we have the apartment unit. Phone number, email. So you can see that it's easy to check the content and see if that specific document has that specific value that you would like to search or would like to extract from that specific forms. Also, when you have this kind of checks, it's going to say to you if that was checked or not. So in this case, you can see the key is yes, and it was selected. 92% confident, so it's pretty almost 100%. And then you can see the others like this one as well, it's unselected. In the same way, you can see like the content that is going to be on the JSON file. So you can see the paragraphs, you can see all the paragraphs that we have in the document, session marks, so all this checkbox that will select or not, tables, so if you have some table on the document, you can see the table as well, and here you can see the result. And if you'd like to run your code, if you like to input this specific AI intelligence in your application, you can just click here in code, select what kind of language would you like to use, and then you can copy or you can download the code and use that as one example in your application. So you don't need to start from the scratch, you can use the code provided by Microsoft. The same one that I have showed before, you can see that we have the pre-built and the type is document. Here we have some analysis options, so I can check only the current document. If I'd like to run analysis on all the documents, I can just click once and then it's going to run analysis on all the documents that I have here. I can also I can select specific pages or run analysis on all the pages that I have. I can select if I would like to check the barcodes, language, style, font, high resolution, and formula as well. So this is some options that we have to customize how the AI document intelligence is going to use the OCR, or is going to give you more information about that specific document. So after that, I'm going to cover the pre-built models that we have here in the next videos. So if you'd like to check these pre-built models for AI document intelligence, check the new videos that I'm going to upload to the channel. See you in the next videos.